Let's start with the guidelines. So I'm going to draw one square here. You can do a little bit rectangle shape, that's also fine. Try to not draw dark, even though I am drawing dark. After that, on the top, I'm going to do one rectangular shape, and I will pull this line up here and over here, kind of like a half. Can you see over here? So let me show you. Half over here. So this line and this line same size. So if I will do this much, right? So this rectangle, think I'm putting over here, like that. Almost, not exactly, but almost. So first step we will do one here, a small one here, and the big one here. So you can see my big triangle here, tiny triangle here, and tiny triangle here. From here to here, I will go for the middle point here, and this one we already did here. So this is the next step, and after that, this one and this one I will curve, kind of like a smiley face, and I will erase the guideline. Now over here, this was my line. I'm going to draw a leaf shape like that, and this line will go and touch this one, kind of like a hill. This one will come here. Can you see this ear over here? Yeah. So this dot will go all the way and touch this one. So you can do the way you like, a little bit down, totally up to you. And this line will come and make it alphabet V, but this one is going down and then it's coming kind of like a smiley. So whole thing is smiley here, and then I will erase the guideline. So next step for the face is this will go, this line will go up here and then turn a little bit straight, and then from here you can go this way or from here, does not matter. Here you can draw a smiley face and the big eye, small eye, totally up to you. You can pick any line, like top one or bottom one, totally up to you here too. And then smiley and kind of like a cone shape here. After that, you can do these lines and curve them. So for the body, we can do half here. So this is the half, and from here we can draw a leg. First one, the back one, two of them. Now we will erase this guideline over here and make this line curvy, just slightly soft here. Even these ones, make it more softer, it will look more better. So we can erase this one and make it lighter and do it this way, and this one we are going to color it. The back one is here, kind of like a triangle shape. Over here, so this is the line. I will do triangle over here and big triangle. So don't make it skinny, just like this much. You have to make sure you are doing same thickness. And one single line. Let me erase all the guidelines and make it super skinny triangle here. Now for this one, again we are going to curve. And from here we are going to do up, down, but instead of straight you have to go a little bit curvy this way and then go out. So up, curvy down, and curvy again up. We will start from here and we have to come back with the alphabet V over here. So we will follow the same line but thicker version, okay? So you can see I'm making thicker here. I will make thicker here and I will go back like this. Or you can go with the flow this way, that's also really good. So the way you can work, just go with that. But make sure this part is very thick. Next to the ear, we can do alphabet C, and this one will go all the way here. So kind of like big alphabet C, it will go all the way to here near to the middle point. And from here, we can go all the way back over here. Try to go with this one. So if it's going down, make it a little bit down. Same line. And then do other one, same thing. Do this and this. Okay. Let's erase our guidelines. So we are done with the unicorn. If you want to stop here, you can, and trace with the marker. Start from here and it has to come all the way here. So kind of like this. If you are thinking kind of like this way, you have to draw one wing, the other one will be here. So let's start. This is not going to be flat, it's going to be hill style. So I will start from here, hill, and then I will curve down. After that you can curve one more, and same thing you can do this one. So this one is getting a little bit skinnier. I will make it just like that. Or if you want a skinny one, you can go ahead and make a skinny one. I feel like I want a little bit more from here, like this way. So you can adjust according to your style. If you want Pegasus, so you have to erase the horn, and if you want unicorn, you should not have to draw the wings.